Hey guys, Riley here with another Little Big RJ Perler project, and for today's project we're going to be making a very delicious treat. Let's go! Welcome to today's video. So today is Rosanna Pansino's birthday. She is an amazing person with an awesome YouTube channel where she bakes really nerdy treats and desserts. You've probably heard of her. She's very big now, a lot bigger than she was a few years ago. But just in case you haven't, I'm gonna put a link to her channel down in the description below. So check her out if you haven't, you're gonna love it. I got to meet Rosanna very briefly at her cookbook signing, and she was just the sweetest. Her channel is actually one of the things that inspired me to start this channel because I'm also a nerd and I just felt like I really wanted to do this, so thank you so much for the inspiration. In honor of that, today we're going to be making the Nerdy Nummies Smart Cookie logo out of Perler Beads. I couldn't find any pixelated designs already online, so I just kind of freehanded it myself, and hopefully it came out really great. So if you want to learn how to make it, let's get started. The things you'll need are 130 brown beads, 110 black beads, 74 tan beads, 56 light brown beads, 102 cream colored beads, 66 white beads, and 8 peach beads. You also need 1 pegboard and some chocolate in case you get hungry or something. And now it's time to put it all together.
The first thing is to take all of the brown, light brown, and tan colored beads into a big bowl. And then mix them up until they're well combined. Then, in a separate bowl, mix the white and cream colored beads together. Then mix both of these bowls together and add the black beads. Very slowly. Then finally, add the peach beads, one at a time. It's very important. I'm so excited. Once you have everything well combined, we're going to put it on this baking sheet. But first I'm going to put this printout of the Smart Cookie logo as a liner for the baking sheet so the beads have sort of a template to go off of. Next, of course, you'll have to put down the pegboard. I'm going to use this cookie scoop to get the beads onto the pegboards. Now, normally my favorite part is to eat the dough, but you definitely shouldn't eat raw Perler beads. Or any version of Perler beads for that matter. Don't eat these things. 2 or 3 scoops should do the trick. That's already starting to look really good. Now make sure your oven is turned off, and we're going to set these on the high or middle rack so they set pretty evenly. They only need to sit in the oven for about 2.3 seconds and then they should be all set. Take your cookie off the tray, and now it's ready for the final step, ironing. The final thing you'll need for this last step is your ironing or parchment paper. Place it over the bead pattern and set your iron to about medium. And make sure to iron the whole thing until it's all melted together. I always do both sides for more durability. And here we go.
Ta-da! Here is your completed Nerdy Nummies Smart Cookie logo out of Perler Beads. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and keep on perler. If you guys feel like making it yourself, please go ahead and do so. Feel free to send, share, tag me in it at Little Big RJ. I'd love to see it. I'll be posting this to myself on my Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. If you did really like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and feel free to comment down below on any other nerdy Perler project you'd love to see me do. I'll be happy to check it out. And Rosanna, just thank you again. I hope you like it. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.